Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore bookkeeping workflows with Xero, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Xero account. Navigate to the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the interface. Select the Accounting tab from the main menu. Click on Chart of Accounts to review your account categories. Ensure all necessary accounts are present for your bookkeeping needs. If any accounts are missing, click on the Add Account button. Fill in the required details, including the account type and name. Save the changes to update your chart of accounts. Next, go to the Banking section. Link your bank accounts by selecting Bank Accounts. Choose Add Bank Account and follow the prompts to connect. Ensure your bank feeds are active for real-time transaction tracking. After the bank accounts are set up, head to the Transactions tab. Click on Bank Reconciliation to start reconciling your transactions. Select the period you wish to reconcile. Review the transactions listed for accuracy against your bank statement. Match transactions in Xero with your bank statement entries. If discrepancies are found, investigate and correct them as necessary. Once matched, mark transactions as reconciled. Proceed to the Invoices section to set up customer billing. Click on Create Invoice to start billing your customers. Fill in customer details, item descriptions, and amounts. Save and send the invoice directly from Xero. Monitor unpaid invoices under the Awaiting Payments section. For expenses, go to the Bills section. Click on Get Started to manage supplier invoices. Enter bill details, including due dates and amounts. Save the bill and set reminders for payment due dates. Next, set up recurring billing if you have regular customers. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.